This is the Japanese frog, everybody.
Oh my God, not me, not me. No, here.
What's her husband gonna have for dinner?
Here you go. No, not me.
All right, let's see if you ladies can do a little better on dry land.
Yeah, get in there.
No, I don't want that. No, I want you.
This is why you girls are so easy to kidnap. If you slow it down, you can see the problem.
There you go. No, not me. Not me.
Putting one foot in front of another can be difficult.
Don't you want the frog? There you go. Yeah. There you go.
What the fuck are we doing? What the fuck are we doing?
See? There you go. Now my leg. No. Give this to you. It's your girlfriend.
His boyfriend is gonna love this.
It's your girlfriend.
What are you doing?
Cut his wiping time in half.
It's your girlfriend. No, it's your
Really
girlfriend. No, not
In this day and age, manscaping has become the norm. And it doesn't
Yeah,
seem
give
fair
it
that
to
you
her.
ladies
Go.
get to relax and spa.
Can you tell us why you're saying to make the dog do that?
because I don't want to have my leg anymore. Come on. No.
Okay, he's learning. He's learning. Not really.
Gentleman's cut. Can you go a little lower? Hey, this is a barber shop, not a painter shop. I shaved Dr. Martin balls one time. Fine.
Do something.
I shaved no Martin Luther King Jr.'s balls. I did. The man
It's
has
not better. It's like your size and everything.
Marciano is the greatest fighter
Your
who
size.
ever
No, it's like your size. Come on.
This is priceless.
Rocky Marciano. Let me tell you something. Once and for all, Rocky Marciano was good.
Let's go for the frog's crotch.
Rocky Marciano ain't shit. He beat Joe.
No.
Knock it off, little D. We'll get back to
There we go. There we go. Doggy style.
How much do I owe you? No shampoo?
I don't bite the crotch. Oh, don't bite that crotch.
Bald bastard.
Turn him over. Oh. Turn him over. Turn him over. Put him in doggy style position.
Black comedian's name here.
This is the best.
Nope.
Tyler Perry, Martin Lawrence. Anybody with a last name?
Where you going?
What's
Oh
next?
my God.
I wonder what Jeff's going to say.
Do you still have to tip your waitress if she burns alive?
Are you good now?
Let's take another look at this hot ass.
All right, you better not just let them finish. Because he ain't going to stop. You're shaking it, you're going to make him want it more.
I can't even move.
Don't shake, because you're going to make him want it more.
It's important to their culture as wispy mustaches and Lopez tonight.
No, come
Here
on,
comes the
dog.
traditional drink of the quinceanera, the Irish carbine.
God.
Giant.
I hope her
Hey,
kids
puppy,
get
come
to
on.
see this magical moment.
Come here.
She's been a mother for years, but today she becomes a woman.
Get over here. Come here.
I want more, bitch.
Oh.
Hi, Poppy. That
Oh,
sizzling
it's
sound is
me.
Stand up, please.
I don't even need to.
Come the first responders.
You got to be kidding me.
Oh my God. Crazy.
Fire beach fabric, muchacho.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Hey, there's cream over there if you need it. There's Vaseline for that if you need it.
Skin melts.
Give him a beer.
Keep it going because after the party, it's the burn one.
Give him a beer.
You're gonna need one.
Afterwards.
All right, that's enough.
Enough.
We'll be right back with the web redemption. But
Oh, don't
first,
look at me
here's
and
the
get
best.
sad.
Oh my God.